Hey there guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, as I'm sure you all know out there. And today is a very special day because after a month of waiting, finally my YouTube play button has finally arrived. Now it's taken me 4 years to get to this point, and I would have never imagined when I was a small lad all those years ago, when I was massively into me tech, watching TV on a small portable black and white TV, gaming on a ZX Spectrum with cassette tapes for games, that in the future I would have massive manufacturers of all the latest tech sending me products to test out and creating content that you loved so much that 100,000 of you subscribed to my channel, and at the end I would receive such an award. So I just want to say a genuine massive thanks to each and every one of you out there who have subscribed and supported the channel over the past 4 years, and who has made my dream job come true. So all there is left to do now is to get this thing unboxed and wall mounted. Right then, the time has come. So I've got my knife ready, and let's get this thing, actually, hold on. Let's do it in the old Tech Giant way. First, let's take some box measurements. So the length on this is coming in at 33.5 centimeters. Your width is coming in at 30, and the height is coming in at 4 centimeters. Right, let's get down to it then. So we have 3 seals to break on this. First one is just there, and then one either side. I can't believe I'm doing this. Let's lift the lid. I can't believe this. I'm going to start welling up. Got a bit of foam there. And first off, we have a letter. Nice quality bit of paper there. So let me read this out to you then. So this is how it reads. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication, whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh. A whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan, CEO of YouTube. So that's a nice letter, and I'll definitely get that framed. But now it's time to move on to the actual award itself. So lift it up. Oh, it's quite a bit thinner than I thought. It was going to be thicker than that, but I'm not complaining. And there we have it. Right, let me have a look at it first. So, presented to the Tech Giant for passing 100,000 subscribers. Bit of dust on that. There we go. And there it is. Right, let's just turn it around the back so you can have a look around the back of a YouTube play button. So we've got holes there, so we are able to wall mount it nice and easily. Absolutely chuffed to bits, or over the moon. Right, so let's just set that off to one side, and we'll put that up on the wall in just a minute. Here's a couple of other things here in the box. So got one of those things there to stop it going all damp. You've got a thing there to recognise your team. Because what you can do, apparently, is you can actually pay for more awards. So if I say wanted Helen to have one, I could pay for that award and give her that award as well. It's exactly the same award, but basically it's just a copy of it. And then finally, we have a little card in here. So congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want you to experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick, famous Rick. He does them for everyone. So yeah, it's great that. And if your award was damaged, you can go to that email address there. And I think that is about that. So yeah, all that is left to do now then is get this award up on the wall. Right, so I've got my nails. Let's get them in the wall. Right, so that's the nails in the wall, and the final thing to do is lift the award onto the wall. And I think it's only fitting that Mrs. Tech Giant comes on in. She's not expecting this, she's there going, no, come on in. And we're going to lift this on the wall together because we've lifted many a TV up onto the wall. So I think it's only fitting that you should join me for this. Right, so corner each. It's got to be done, hasn't it? Right, go on then.
Down off the floor.
There we go. And there we go. Looks really nice actually with that wallpaper. Look at that. Presented to the Tech Giant for passing 100,000 subscribers. And you may be wondering why I've got it set off to one side there. Well, I'm going to be getting a copy of the letter to put to the side there, which they do in this silver to match the silver play button. So yeah, hopefully the pair should look really nice. Now that we've got the play button all wall mounted, I think it's time to celebrate. And I did always promise once we hit 100,000 subscribers that we would do a giveaway. Now I got in contact with box.co.uk and they were kind enough to say that yes, they would support the channel with a giveaway. So we are going to be giving away a brand new 55-inch LG CS OLED, which is worth £1,000. Now, if you do want to enter the giveaway, I'll be putting a link in the description where you can enter, and there's all the terms and conditions. And if you want to increase your chances of winning, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, and you follow me on all my social medias. So there we have it then, guys. This video, well, it's basically 4 years in the making, isn't it? And once again, I just want to really, truly say a massive thanks to each and every single one of you. And I just so much appreciate your support, I really do. Thanks to Mrs. Tech Giant as well for helping me out, Box for supporting the channel, and yeah, I can't believe this day has come. I am absolutely over the moon. So fingers crossed, you know, going forwards, never know, we might be hitting the 1 million mark and be putting a gold play button beside the silver. So anyway, thank you very much for joining me today. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.